lovely Aries, and welcome to your weekly update for my Aries from the 8th of March to the 14th of March. I have three decks here, and I have my guidance card kept out ready for y'all. This is going to be your career info and what the tarot has your message, basically career message, love message, and just something in terms of your finances. Let's begin with what's up in your career this weekend. Okay, so you may be feeling very stressed in terms of work this week from the 8th to the 14th of March 2021, my Aries. Since I'm reading for the collective, please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. I'm reading for a lot of people right now. The Five of Fire is talking about conflict, it's talking about competing goals. So you may be feeling in that state of competition where pressure might be getting onto you, and you will be literally um, you are kind of getting stressed with that, my dear Aries. I do see that your goals are pretty you're looking at your partners, you're looking at your colleagues, you're looking at your friends. Maybe you're comparing yourself to someone else, and you're pushing yourself way too hard, setting some difficult goals for yourself, and that is kind of also bothering you. Okay, so the Five of Fire is telling me that this week your energy can be a little conflicted in terms of work, because you are kind of stressing out way too much on whatever is happening. You may also quarrel with your colleagues, you may also try not to do that, okay, because this is a week of conflict for you in terms of work. So you might want to find ways to keep yourself calm and cool. You might want to uh, avoid getting into any unnecessary quarrel with your colleagues that doesn't put you in a trouble later on. Bothersome details could also be a part of this, as in as I said, the goals would be, too much for you. So set some goals that is easy for you to, fulfill. I mean, not very easy. It has to be a little bit challenging, but not like out of your way, right? Because then that's really going to stress you out. So what I'm hearing is, thank you, Spirit. With uh, the Magician, you are supposed to be manifesting. If for instance, okay, now you have to say, for example, just for example, you are have to fill your KRA, okay, and you have to write in your goals and all of that. And while doing so, you are so stressed that, oh my god, I don't know what are my colleagues, putting in, and I have to really buck up, I have to do something about it, etc., etc. What are the kind of thoughts you have while filling in your company KRAs? The Magician here is saying that, you know what, you are ready, but don't go all crazy as well. Whatever you are filling in, be confident that you can manifest it, because the Magician is ensuring that yes, you can do it. You are ready, you have the resources and the ability to manifest them. So don't let this conflicted energy of yours this week lower your vibration to that extent that you manifest negative for yourself, okay? So try and watch some meditation videos, try and watch some healing videos online, anything that will help you raise your vibration so that you can manifest sooner, quicker, and better, instead of above all positive in terms of work. So this week I am hearing no fighting, and stay in a, try and keep your raise your vibration, even if someone is making things difficult for you at work, okay? This week um, it looks like you may face some issues in terms of, at your workspace. Even if you're working from home, that is, there could be a lot of work pressure, and because of that pressure you might end up reacting in very negatively. So do not do that, please. I am already giving you a heads up on this. Be cool, be calm. If there is something, let it pass this week, and then maybe in the next following week or something you could try and sort it out, okay? And the Magician is saying that Maybe in the next 30 days you may if you sit and you attract better with the magician card, if you sit and you attract well, you attract something good for yourself in terms of career. It could also be a job opportunity in the next 30 days from now, it could come to you. So it is a game of law of attraction which you guys really need to sit and read about. Even if you don't believe in it, okay, even if you don't believe in it, actually law of attraction majorly works on believing what you're manifesting. Okay, so try mindfulness, try to do some positive talk to yourself, give yourself that positive talk. Even if someone is making you feel incredibly low and you don't have that confidence in yourself this week, that's okay. Say you got, just look at yourself and give some positive talk to yourself, looking in the mirror. These are these small things that will really take you there. Okay, so remember, you're the only one who can help yourself and no one else can. So with that, on that note, I have told you this is your message: avoid conflicts and manifest this week. Okay, because the major arcana card is telling me that you really can change things around for you. Okay, and something good can really happen to you in the next 30 days if you sit and manifest well. So you got this, my dear Aries, you got this. Okay, this is your career reading for this coming week, the 8th to the 14th of March. Let's see what the love life reading is. Okay, okay, oh, I think it was like this, sorry. Okay, so love life, I kind of see you, for the ones who are in a relationship, who were in a relationship, I see you happily moving away from that relationship, which was a toxic relationship, which was not serving you well. You are happily moving away from that relationship and you are gloriously coming out independent from that relationship. You are coming out as this person who is celebrating their freedom. Okay, I see you moving on, celebrating freedom. Some people might be moving from one place to another, far away from their relationship, but mostly I am hearing is, for the collective, is y'all are leaving that stale relationship and moving on and being super happy. You are going to, I'm hearing freedom. It's like, all what I can hear right now is someone standing on top of a mountain and just screaming freedom. So, yes, I do see you finally being free from what was not serving you well and you moving on from your past. Okay, for those who are not in a relationship, I also see that you might have closed some chapter of the past that was, kind of bothering you, and you're kind of healed from that, and now you are open to the next one. You're like, now what's next, bring it on. Okay, so yes, for the love life, I see this week you being pretty sorted and moving on from what doesn't serve you right. Okay, and yes. So this is what I see. Moving on. I was just trying to pick up if there's something else that's coming in. Okay. Um, for some of y'all, it could also be someone is coming towards you. Okay. There could be some person who is coming to meet you from some other place. Maybe you've just, it could be a date, it could be a friend who kind of likes you or you like him, and he's coming towards you, and you guys might just sit and chill and you all might talk, and it might just be positive. You know what I mean? So, this is for the singles. So, yes, so I see movement. Someone is coming, traveling, you moving on, like really in life from someone. So, this is what I see for the love life. Okay, and I don't see a lot of quarrels as such, but I see that intention of I'm done, bro. That intention is what I'm sensing this week, and yes. That's it. So, yeah, moving on to your, just a second. Let's see what is the finances looking like. Okay. So, the finances are telling me that maybe you are currently saving some money. Okay. Um, you might also have some plan of investing some money with your friends, and starting something new maybe in future, but maybe you all might at least be talking about it as well. It could just be a plan where you're sitting down with some friends and talking about it, possibly two friends, and the three of you all are talking about, you know what, this is something we could do in future, this is something we could start together, we could start investing. You might actually start even investing with them, and this not necessarily has to be friends, it could be family as well. I see you trying to take that initiative of doing something in future and working on something. It could be a project that you've already started working on. For some of y'all, y'all are doing something with someone in partnership, with two of them more, or maybe more than that, but mostly three of them in total is what I see. So finances wise, it's pretty sorted. Okay, y'all are working out something, and I don't see any danger there uh, this week. Okay, and and for those who are not in any partnership or something, I see this can be coming in soon, or maybe you will hear an idea like that, or even briefly one idea like that might just pop in your mind. Okay, that, oh, why don't I just start something with a friend or with two of them? And if that idea comes, I would just suggest that you pause and think about it, because it could not be a bad idea after all. And your general guidance for the whole week, from the 8th to the 14th of March would be, as I just told you. Didn't I just tell you in the career path, career reading, that you need to manifest better? You have got this card. Your vibration is rising. You are the oracle. So you can really change this week. Manifestation is a game changer for you. It could be in terms of career, since this has come out in the general card guidance reading. This manifestation, this magician that we had got here, also told us in career, this is really going to be a game changer for you. This law of attraction, manifestation, can be a complete total game changer for you in terms of career, in terms of love, in terms of finances. You just need to manifest that. Okay, because everything is within you. Everything you get, you receive, you achieve, all within you. Raise your vibration. Don't get into unnecessary conflicts. Okay, with the help of YouTube nowadays, we have so many such beautiful videos on YouTube that helps us raise our vibration. Once you raise your vibration is only when you can manifest better. So try and do that this week. I see one of your manifestations coming true, and for career, definitely something is coming up by 30 days if you continue to be in this state of being very positive and attracting better. So that's it, my lovely Aries. I hope you guys like this reading and you found this useful. Please stay safe, be happy, and love you all.